I'm back with another and video, and I'm back with random people, and I'm wooden hopping on squad because we're going to Topsy Towers. Let's just get the W for the W. The W is the hardest thing to get. How many of my friends are on this tower? Legit. We all came in. My loadout's kind of products. I don't really like bursts that much. Ice! How did I take damage? Hey, trust. Against God, I will give us any day. It was like jiggers from another map.
What?
Take a chill pill. Oh nope. No. He even took damage. I told you, his phone's bad here. I'm joking. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I made you my channel. Yep, he just got you. Oh, sure got that guy in it. Yo, what? He missed me back. I've been dead. That's how trash I am. But, like, if you guys with me and give me a sniper, you can win and take some lobbies. I hate this gun for some odd reason. It's just like the vehicle look. Like, and look how much damage it does. Wow. I will never use this long. It takes 5 seconds to reload that song. This only takes 1. That's so mad. Look at that. Look at when you're jumping it. Look how bad it is. See, I'm putting my controller down. That's talking about on my video. I was meant to finish all my bullets. You know what I mean? Could be a squad, guys. I'm gonna try and take the WWA. That child I'm not making it. Why? Oh yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? They need to know they're gonna. They need to check out my channel, hit the like button, do whatever they do on channels. Yeah. Okay. Damn. I just replaced my proper. I'll just take that here. That's sad. Cause like think about it. What could I do? Agree, not agree. I'm so stupid. At least I got tickets. It's not that good. I will be hitting 10. A lot. That's what we need to make. Trust. Knocked. Oh, that's. Don't tell me what's from behind. Please don't tell me what's from behind. Oh, now I see him. That was lucky. To your side. Okay, I didn't know what side. But I just said to your side. Reasons. That's reasonable, isn't it? No, the last guy is. Yes, bless. Yeah. Peace out, guys. That's how you get W in one try. And